Hello, welcome. We're going to review the licensing platform for the Mazteck.VIP. So we want to go ahead and click on this box. Once we log in, we will get to this screen. We have 6 options up top. We're going to go ahead and set up the templates first. As you can see, we have about 5 over here. We click on templates, and here are the ones that we have already. We can go ahead and click on a new template. Let's call this auto, caps lock's on. Sorry, can't type today. AutoCAD 2025. And we will have 5 licenses, and serial number is 1234 98755 ABCD. All right, we're also able to add additional fields. Let's say we need a reg number, and we can select a text field, a date field, a drop down, or a Microsoft user. Let's go ahead and select drop down. We're going to say version 1, version 2, and version 3. We can add additional fields, or we can just save. So now we have the AutoCAD 2025. Again, we can edit anything that we need in here. So that way we will go to the licenses. Here is our 2025. As you can see, we purchased 5. None of them are available. Here is the serial number that it requires, and it is not a subscription. So we're going to go ahead and add it. This will normally be able to pull your 365 users, but because this is a demo organization, it doesn't have 365 connection, but you'll also be able to pull your live computer information. So we can say this is Mario Zaki and he's using this computer and he's using the version 1, and any additional information will go into here. Now, this does not just need to go, be assigned just for licenses. This can be anything that you want to keep track of, hardware or anything like that. You can, tablets, cell phones, you can use them all in here. You'll be able to see that now we are using 1 and there are 4 available. So we can go ahead and add another one, say this one, and reg 2. Here are all the ones that we created, and click the sign. So now it's using 2 and 3 are now available. You could also go into here and sort by user. You can select which software. Say I want to just see which one is using 2025 of AutoCAD. I'll go in here. Normally, what the users field will show up in here when it's linked to 365, but it's not. You'll be able to sort by your users. You'll be able to click on here and see all your licenses that all the users that you have in Microsoft 365. I went ahead and paused the video and switched over to our tenant so that way we can see some live data. Once we switch over here, you may need to click on load users. So this will show you all your Microsoft all your users using Microsoft with what licenses they have. You'll also be able to export this list. You'll be able to click on computers. You'll see all the computers that this is linked to our system. So the computer name, you'll also be able to select over here and give it a name. Let's say, for example, over here, click on save. You can give it an alias. You can see the last logged on user. You'll see that if it's a Windows or Mac device, and when was the last time that computer was rebooted. You'll also be able to click on this last tab, and this will pull all your Microsoft 365 subscriptions. Usually will take about no more than 10 to 15 seconds. And in here, it will give you all your subscriptions. And it'll let you know how many are being used. So you, like, for example, when we look at this license, that tell us that we have 12. We're currently using only 11 of the 12. One is unused. The schedule renewal will be for 11, and the renewal date is over here. Sometimes you may have more than one subscription with different dates. For example, the Exchange Online Plan 1, which we see here. There are 7 total. 4 of them are over here, and these expire in November. These 3 are all being used, and that renewal is in February. These will automatically update, upon your renewal date. With Microsoft 365, the renewal is yearly. So unfortunately, they changed this a few years back, and we have to abide by the rules. All right, that is our licensing platform. If you have any questions, please let us know, and we'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.